Hello everyone, this printer is Epson Expression Home XP 2200 series. What I want to do is to show you how to copy document with this printer from the control panel. What you need to do is open the glass scanner and put the document you want to copy face down, and also make sure the document starts from the bottom right corner of the glass scanner. You will see arrow on the right side. This document we have here is A4. Then close the cover. Then from control panel, you select this button to copy the document in color. Select this button to copy the document in black, and also this button to cancel the job. Select this twice to print the document 2 times. Select black twice to copy the document in black twice. So we're going to copy this document in color once. This is the document we copied in color. If you want to copy this document black and white, then select black once. This is the document we copied in black and white. If you want to copy this document two-sided, for example, you need to reload this paper with the area printed out already on the back. So to copy document, then you decide if you want to copy black or color. Just press it once. It will print out the document. So it's going to copy this page two-sided. This is the document we copied two-sided. We copied this part black and white and copied this part in color. So this is how to copy documents with this printer from the control panel. Thank you very much indeed.